Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Omnisend, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you import or upload your contact list into Omnisend? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into Omnisend anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider, but you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Omnisend dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Omnisend, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your contact list, here on the left side, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you're going to click on this button here called Contacts. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the contacts you have in Omnisend. However, to import a spreadsheet of your other contacts, here on the right side, you're going to click on Add or Update Contacts. Once you do that, you want to click on this button here, Import Contacts from a File. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and import your contacts. They do let you know it needs to be XLS or XLSX, ODS or CSV file, and the file size should be less than 128 megs. And what you want to do is click on Browse Files and choose the file of your contacts from your desktop. Okay, now it's uploading. All right, once it's done, you're going to see this kind of turquoise check mark, and you want to click here on Continue to Mapping. Okay, next you want to go ahead and map out the information. So this is their first name. Their email address was automatically mapped out. And let's see here, this is their last name. Okay, next you're going to click on Continue to Organize. Here you can go ahead and tag and segment your list, and then click on Continue to Subscribe. Okay, next you can go ahead and subscribe your contacts to your emails if they've already previously agreed to that, and then click on Continue to Finalize. Okay, now if you have repeating contacts, you can go ahead and choose what you want to do with them. So let me go ahead and choose this one and then Continue to Review. Okay, next you can go ahead and see the list review before you import it. If you're okay with that, click on Finish Import. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my contacts were uploaded, and it takes a few moments for them to show up here in my contacts, depending on how large of a list you are importing into Omnisend. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into Omnisend, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.